Our talented girls from 10th grade are here to present a wonderful skit on the theme of happiness. Through this short performance, we are not only going to learn that happiness is not just a goal, but it is the path to achieving all our goals in life and whatever we desire in life. So let's give them a big hand to perform this skit, and let's understand that happiness is the true treasure in life.
Hi Spandana, how are you?
Hi Sindhu, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good. Did you prepare for mass?
Yes, of course. Did you prepare?
Yes, of course.
Sindhu, look over there. I have been noticing those people since morning. They are just sitting quietly like statues.
Yes, even they are not talking to each other. And the heat is unbearable today.
Who do you think they might be?
I really don't know. They seem like strangers lost in thought.
Should we go talk to them and find out what's wrong?
That's a good idea. Let's go and ask.
Excuse me friends, you all look so sad and silent. Is something bothering you? Please come home with us. You shouldn't sit here like this.
Yes, come along with us. We will share some sweets and celebrate Christmas together.
You can stay with us as long as you wish.
Thank you. But there's one thing. There are 6 of us and only one can go with you.
Only one. Why is that?
Because we each bring different gifts.
Yes, and well, if you choose me, money will never be a problem. You will have comfort, luxury and everything heart desires. And wisdom. If you choose me, I will guide you to make good decisions. You will learn from every mistake and walk the right path in life.
And success. With me, beside you, you will shine in studies, sports and every dream you chase. I bring victory in life.
I am friendship. Take me home and your life will be filled with the true friends who stand in good times and bad.
I am respect. I am the open the door to good things we seek in our life. And I'm happiness. I bring joy, peace and laughter. Where I go, hearts are light, homes are warm, and I'm priceless. So, now it's your time. You can take only one of us home. Who will it be?
This is tough. All of you sound special.
Yes, we must decide carefully.
Wealth could help us to live a grand life.
But without happiness, even riches feels empty.
Wisdom seems so important, it can guide us forever.
Friendship gives a life meaning. A true friends are precious.
Let's choose happiness. We choose happiness.
What a beautiful choice. Come, let's go home.
Wait, why all of you coming with us? We only choose happiness.
Yes, you can rest here. Thank you for your offer.
Don't you see, when you choose happiness, the rest follow. Where there is true happiness, wealth, wisdom, success, friendship and respect always exist together.
That's wonderful. Yes, we always live where happiness lives. Then let's all go together and fill our home with laughter and love. Thank you all.
Very good skit for the 10th class students due to about the human life.